Today's digital workplace requires faster, more efficient communication and collaboration. It's a world where anyone can brainstorm big ideas quickly and connect with coworkers and clients easily, no matter where they are. In the digital workplace, expensive, unused office spaces are a thing of the past, and you can collaborate face-to-face from wherever you are, using your favorite business apps. How? With Ricoh's interactive flat panel displays, a modern way to collaborate and bring your big ideas to life. Meet Carol. Carol needs to access a PowerPoint presentation on her personal computer during a meeting with team members in 3 locations. With a click of a button, Carol's presentation is now up and ready to be shared. During the meeting, Carol's coworker asks a question related to the data. Carol is able to quickly pull up the Excel spreadsheet that she used to calculate the numbers in her presentation and explain how she obtained the information. While presenting, Carol can access the features and functions of each software program loaded on the display. She's able to use them in the same way she would on her computer. Now Carol's team is up to speed and ready to present to their client who lives in Mexico and his boss who is working from home. Meet Pablo. Pablo dials into the network from his laptop in the office to join the meeting. Now meet Juan, Pablo's boss. Juan also dials in from his laptop from his home office to listen in. The team shares ideas face-to-face using the live video option. Conversation begins, one idea sparks another, and the possibilities are endless. This is how Ricoh empowers digital workplaces.